Okie dokie. For you today on Dave's Cooking Show, we've got a pub cheeseburger. And the first thing we got to do when we make this burger is make, of course, the cheese. And this is how you make pub cheese. You start with 14 ounces of cheddar. Then you add 1/2 cup of beer, 4 ounces of cream cheese, 1 clove of garlic, a 1/2 teaspoon of ground mustard, and 1 teaspoon of paprika. The last ingredient I have to add is the cream cheese. And then you want to smash all this together in a food processor until you get kind of a paste-like consistency. I just got to wash my hands here because I hate... as much as I love cream cheese, I also hate cream cheese. It gets everywhere. So lock it in place and kind of pulse or turn it on high. And basically, yeah, you just want this to come into a bit of a paste. All right, next step. This is about what you're looking for. Get it out of the food processor, put it in a bowl, and pop it in the fridge. Let's get on to the burgers. Okay, on a grill that's set to medium-high to high heat, you want to set your burger patties, and I went with about a 1/3 pound burger patties. That's just me. The seasoning I'm using today is kind of a in-house steakhouse seasoning that my local grocery store makes. You can certainly use my all-purpose, which is equal amounts salt, pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. Or use whatever favorite steak seasoning mix you like. All right, these will take, I don't know, roughly 5 minutes aside. Flip them as often as you want. Just make sure the burger is 160 when you pull it off the griddle. Okay. Now that our burgers are done through the magic of cooking show editing, remember that pub cheese we made? Well, you kind of want to form that into little patties themselves and place this on the burger and let it melt. I would highly recommend using some steam lids for this and a little water. And even with the steam lids, which by the way, never buy steam lids. I made these myself. These are these are some bowls from a dollar store and some knobs I picked up at Home Depot for, I think, 50 cents each or something like that. Don't buy steam things. Anyway, even with the steam lids, it's going to be at least a minute for this cheese to melt. Also, don't forget to toast up some buns for this burger, because if you serve someone a burger, even a burger as great as the pub cheeseburger, if you serve it to them on an untoasted bun, every single person from your mom, your friends, the rest of your family, everyone is going to call you a fucking loser. Because, yeah, you're a fucking loser if you serve a burger on an untoasted bun. All right, let's put the pub cheeseburger together. As you can see, our pub cheese is melted nicely on top our burger patty. And there's no real set thing for condiments, so I just kind of made it up. You want a little bit of ketchup, a little bit of mustard, some diced white onions, and of course, you top this burger how you like. There's no, like, set toppings at all. And then I'm just going to add a little bit of mayo to the top bun, and that's it. Pub cheeseburgers. Done.